What's up, YouTube? I came to Sweet Home, Alabama, because I heard they had a deal on pipes. Plus, I had to see my mom. Mom, I'm coming home to you. So my car is at a muffler shop right now. I'm finna go pick it up, and I'm gonna see how it's gonna turn out. I did a muffler delete. Well, I added new mufflers, and I have a resonator delete. So I'm gonna put up a sound clip in a second so you can see how it sounds. So stay tuned. Alright guys, I just got to Sweet Tire. That's where my car is at. So I'm gonna do a sound clip first and then make sure that you guys understand and see it. And then after that we gotta talk about it. I'm gonna do a walk around of the car and all that. So we're gonna go in here and check it out.
We do a lot of E40 series.
Yeah, I think that's what you guys put in here.
Yeah, I put the footers on there. So what exactly are we trying to do here?
I'll just introduce yourself, the name of the shop and what you did to the car. What's going on, YouTube? I'm here with Chris. Sam. Sorry. Edit. I'm here with Sam. He's the one who did the work on the beat. So he's just gonna explain what he did to it, the sound, and hopefully what I hope.
Alright guys, this is Sam with Spinning Sweat Tire. We do custom exhaust and everything like that. So he brought it to me and he just wanted a little bit louder and wanted a good sound to it, so I did the best I could. Pretty much what we just did was we took the stock resonator off and we put a straight pipe in there. I took his mufflers off the rear and I put 2 Flowmasters on there, 40 series, to give it a little bit of a sound, and put 2 tips on there. And it should sound pretty good. I hope he likes it. It's a little bit of beast. It's got some power. I test drove it. It'll get up and go, so we'll see what the Batmobile has.
Stay tuned. I'm gonna do a sound clip. So there you have it, YouTube. I'm back at my mom's house. So just picked up the car and all that. There I go right there. You heard the pipes. I'm very impressed. I'm about to get ready to wash it right now, but I figured I'd show a quick little update of the upgrades that I did. So we're gonna check that out right now. You already know how it looked before. We'll just do a quick walk around. It's very dirty from the trip. It was a 19-hour drive, so it's very dirty. And it was sitting in a shop. It was sitting in the shop, so I didn't get a chance to clean it. That's what I'm gonna do now. So the exhaust was 40 series Flowmasters. So that's what you'll pretty much have to get. Crank it up. They had 40 series and took the resonator off and straight piped it. Pop the engine, pop the hood. So it's just a quick little video. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it now because it really needed. These are all our friends that didn't make it. But stay tuned. I have some more videos. Soon. Special thanks to Sweet Tire for doing the work on my car. I mean, they did a really good job. I'm happy with how it is. So if you guys ever in Alabama, you know, Bay Minette, you know, check out Sweet Tires, you know, because it's worth it. Like, it really is. All right, so we just got it all cleaned up. So I'm gonna show y'all what it's like. That's how it looks. So I'm in love with it. There we go. So it's just clean. Finally. Yeah. Everybody knows Simply Kimura. She helped clean it. There you have it. Let me know, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know your opinion. Let me know what y'all thinking about this. And I'll tell y'all the other upgrades that's gonna go and happen with it. Till then, see ya.